So their activity has loaded. So I'll enter something in this text field. This is my test data. So I now need to save this to my file. So it says data has been written. Now let us see where exactly the system stores these files. We go to DDMS. We have the data folder. Within that again we have a data folder. Data, and then again data folder, and then we need to look for our package. Our package is chap.io, and within this we have a files folder, and within this files folder we have the mydata.txt, and this is what we were saving our data to. Just check up mydata.txt. So the system has created a file within the files folder, and it has written whatever we had written to the text field, and we have got the. So this is how we can write to any internal file system, and now we'll read from that file to which we have already written. I'll connect a file input stream to this open input stream and file name, which is mydata.txt. So again, instead of again need a try and a catch, and again I'll use the same thing as earlier. I'll copy it from here to avoid typing again. So this I'll correct. So we got started. So I've connected the file input stream. Now I need a buffer reader. br is equal to new buffer reader and new input stream reader, and pass this file input stream object to input stream reader. So just import this. So I can have a string st. Now in this case I know I have written only one line of text, but in case I have more than one line of text written to this file, then I'll need to operate on a loop, and I can use a string buffer and add a string every time to the buffer. Otherwise, as in this case we have only one line of text that we have written, so I can simply say br.readline, and I can set up this into st. cd1. So we have simply connected a file input stream through the open file input method. We have generated a buffered reader, and through the buffered reader readline method we can read text from the file line by line. And as we have already we have written just a single line of text, so instead of using a loop, I have simply used the readline method to read the only line of text that we have written to the file. So again, charge up my emulator. So I'll load from file, and you can see this is the same data that we had written earlier to the mydata.txt file. So this is how we can read to a file on the local file system, and how we can read from the local file system. Next on the agenda, we will see how we can write to the SD card.